I absolutely loved working as a dietitian, but I often found that my patients would achieve their goals only to end up right back where they started. So after completing a PhD in long-term habit change, I'd like to share with you 3 key tips to help your patients maintain their health and fitness goals long-term. Tip number 1, start small. Research shows that starting with small goals is not only easier to achieve, but easier to maintain long-term. Once your patients have achieved their goals, they can then build on them and make them bigger or add more goals. You'll be helping them build their self-efficacy or self-belief, which is a really important element to success. Tip number 2, focus on consistency over intensity. The go hard or go home mentality does not work. In fact, as I like to say, the secret sauce to forming new habits is consistency. Habits take on average 66 days to form. So encourage your patients to keep on keeping on. The more they perform their new habit, the more automatic it'll become, till eventually it'll feel like second nature. Tip number 3, stay accountable. Accountability can double the likelihood of your patients achieving their goals. Accountability can be with a friend, a spouse, you, their healthcare professional, or through a habit tracker. Accountability is well documented to show that it helps people stay on track and motivated to reach their goals. If a friend is waiting for me at the gym, you can bet that I'll be there and not pressing the snooze button.